Can we start the lecture? Shubham? Yes. Good afternoon to all of you. What I would like to say, before going to three-phase concept, already we have discussed the three-phase of wave control rectifier fed separately like the DC motor. Is it right? Any doubt, please? Any doubt? Hello.
No, sir.
Okay. So already we have started the three-phase concept, na? What I would like to say, today we are going to see the three-phase half control converter fed separately as a DC motor. So, but before going to this topic, now I would like to give the one small numerical. I would like to solve the one small numerical on the single phase concept. Can we solve one small numerical? You can get an idea how the numericals coming in the examination. Clear? Can we solve? Otherwise, I will continue to the three-phase concept. Can we solve?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just because I will solve the 10 to 15 numericals later after completion of this concept. But today I will solve only just for getting the concept, how we will get the numericals in the examination. So you can see the, are you seeing the numerical question? Can anyone read it? Can anyone read it, please, from girls? From girls.
The speed of 10 HP to 20 volt, 1200 RPM AC/DC motor is controlled by a single phase fully controlled converter. The rated armature current is 40 ampere. The armature resistance is 0.25 ampere. The AC supply is 230 volts. The
Resistance 0.25 ohms.
Sorry, ohm.
Yes, continue.
The AC supply is 230 volt. The motor constant is Kf phi is equal to 0.18 volt per ampere per RPM. Assume that the motor current is constant and ripple free for a firing angle alpha is equal to 30 degree. Determine the speed of the motor. B motor torque, and C power supplied to the motor.
Yes. So means here what we can say, assume the motor current is constant and ripple free. Means what we can say, generally we are saying the motor constant current is like this, no? Like this. Clear? So but what we here saying, assume the motor current is constant. Assume the motor current is constant and there is no ripples in this current. There is no ripple is present in the current, like this ripples is present like this. Clear? So that's why what he will say, assume this data. Assume this data. Clear? So it has given the data rated values of 10 HP, clear, and 220 volts, 220 volts, 1200 RPM, 1200 RPM. Clear? This is the rated value of the motor. This is the rated value of the motor. Clear? This motor is operated through the single phase fully controlled converter. This motor is operated through the single phase fully controlled converter. So here you can see this is the separately excited DC motor. This motor, okay, this motor is operated through the single phase fully controlled converter. Is it right? Same concept, na? Is it right? Please say yes or no. Please.
Yes, sir.
Okay, means he has given the separately excited DC motor is controlled by single phase fully controlled converter, and the rated armature current is 40 amperes. What he has given the data, armature current IA is equal to 40 amperes. Clear? Next, and what he has given? What is this? What is this?
RA.
RA means also has given the armature resistance. How much? 0.25 ohms. Is it right? Next, again what he has given? And again what he has given? What is this? What is this?
Supply voltage.
Supply voltage. Okay, also he has given the supply voltage. Vs is equal to how much? How much?
230 volt.
230 volts. Clear? And also he has given the motor constant. Just wait. Hello. Yes, please. Sorry. Vs is equal to 230 volts and motor constant Kfi. Also he has given the motor constant Kfi is equal to how much? How much? 0.18 volts per RPM. All of you listening, please? All of you listening?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And next, and what has given the data? और क्या क्या data दिए इन्होंने? और क्या क्या data दिए?
Firing angle.
Yes, firing angle he has given. Clear? Next, alpha is equal to how much? 30 degrees. So what we have to find out here? Speed of the motor. Clear? So means we have to find out the speed of the motor. N find out करने का ना? N find out करने का ना?
Yes.
So how we can find out the speed of the motor? So as we know, this motor, separately excited DC motor, is controlled through the single phase fully controlled converter like this. Clear? This separately excited DC motor is controlled through the single phase fully controlled converter. Means whatever we are getting the output voltage from the single phase fully controlled converter, that will act as a input for the motor. Is it right? That will act as input for the motor. So here we know the output voltage of the single phase fully controlled converter. We know the output voltage of the single phase fully controlled converter. VA is equal to V0 is equal to, what is the formula? What is the formula? 2 Vm by pi. 2 Vm by pi cos alpha. 2 Vm by pi cos alpha. यही formula है ना? Okay, this is the formula. Already we have derived this equation. Okay, 2 Vm by pi cos alpha. We have derived an equation while we are discussing this topic.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the average output voltage or armature voltage of the single phase fully controlled converter. Okay, 2 Vm by pi cos alpha. So here क्या क्या values मालूम है अपन को? अल्फा मालूम है ना? अल्फा मालूम है ना अपन को? We know the value of alpha. What is the value of alpha? What is the value of alpha?
30 degrees.
Okay, alpha is equal to 30 degrees. Vm is equal to root 2 into Vs. Vm is equal to root 2 into Vs. root 2 into Vs. So Vs की जगह क्या सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकते हैं अपन? Vs कितने दिए? What is the supply voltage? How much he has given the numerical?
230.
230. Means Vm is nothing but root 2 into Vs, root 2 into 230 divided by pi into cos 30 degrees into cos 30 degrees. Clear? So what is the value of this one? Can anyone tell please? Fast. I got the value of V0 is equal to 179.33 volts. Is it clear? So you can calculate it later. Okay.
Yes.
V0 is equal to 179.33 volts. But what we need to find out we need to determine the speed of the motor. Is it clear? So what we can do here, we know the formula. We know the formula. VA is equal to, what is the formula please? VA is equal to EB plus IA RA. Is it right? We know the formula VA is equal to EB plus IA RA. Is it right? Yes or no? Please say yes or no.
Yes.
Okay. So from that equation, EB, what we can write? EB is equal to, from the above equation, EB is equal to
VA minus IR.
VA minus IA RA. Is it clear? So, but we don't know the value of EB. Is it right? So we know the value of VA and we know the value of armature current. Also, we know the value of armature resistance. So can we easily find out the back EMF? Find out कर सकते हैं क्या? Find out कर सकते हैं क्या? EB is equal to VA. What is the value of VA? What is the value of VA? VA is equal to V0 is equal to कितना? How much? Please give me the reply. 179.33 minus, what is the value of IA, armature current? What is the value of armature current?
40 ampere.
40 into 0.5
25.
0.25. ओके, पॉइंट के बाद 25 बोलने का, ना 25। जो भी पॉइंट के बाद जो डिजिट्स रहता है अपन को 25, 12 ऐसे बोलने का। 0.225 is, don't say like that, 0.25 is the right. Okay, so what is the value of this EB? EB is equal to, we can easily find out 169.33, I think approximate 169.33 volts. Okay, is it right? Next,
Yes, sir.
169.33, yes, right answer. Next, okay, we know the, but we have to find out the speed. So how we can find out the speed? We know the formula. N is equal to, what is the formula in terms of back EMF? N is equal to EB by
Bye.
EB by KFI, na? EB by KFI. So now we can easily find out the speed. EB values we know, and he has also given the KFI. Is it right? Hello?
Yes.
Please, can you tell the value of this one? 169.33 upon by
0.18.
sorry, 1 minute, I'm getting call. 0.18. 0.18. Please, can you calculate this value in mobile? Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir. N is equal to, I think I got 940. Next time all should attend with calculator, please. This time I will allow you. N is equal to 940.72 RPM, means approximate 941 RPM. Is it clear? So this is the value of the, this is the speed of the DC motor when the firing angle alpha is equal to 30 degrees. The speed of the motor is 940.72 RPM. ये find out किया ना अपन? Speed of the motor we got the, is it right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next what we have to find out?
Motor torque.
Motor torque. Clear? So and again I will solve you. Can you rough this one? Can I rough this one? Shubham? Only one student is given the response. What about the others? Only one student is giving the response. Please, what about the others? Okay. So we've calculated the value of speed of the motor. Okay. The speed of the motor is 941 RPM when the firing angle is alpha is equal to 30 degrees. Clear? Next, in case if you want to find out the speed in radians per second. If we want to find out the speed in radians per second, omega m. So how we can find out? Please all of you note down this formula. Okay, so this is an RPM. If you want to find out the speed in a radians per second, so what is the formula? Omega m is equal to 2 pi n upon by 60. Please remember this formula. Is it clear? So 2 pi n upon by 60. So by using this formula, can we find out the speed of the DC motor in radians per second? कर सकते ना? Find out कर सकते ना?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. No. Because we know this is the constant value. 2 pi is the constant value and 60 is also constant. Okay, n is also already we found that 940.72 RPM. So by substituting this equation, we can easily find out the speed of the motor in radians per second. So I think I have calculated this value is 98.51 radians per second. 98.51 radians per second. Clear? So like this way, you can calculate the speed of the motor. Is it clear? So next, can we go for the next motor torque? Can we go for the motor torque? Can we go
Yes.
for motor torque?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is the formula for motor torque? What is the formula for motor torque? T is equal to, already I have given us total basic equations. T is equal to Ka phi Ia. Already I have given the derivations in previous topics. Basics also I have given characteristics, basic equation to DC motors. Okay, for this purpose I have given before. Please remember, if you don't know the formulas, then you cannot solve the numericals. Okay, what is the formula for T torque? T is equal to Ka phi into Ia. T is equal to Ka phi into Ia because the torque is directly proportional to the armature current. Okay, the T is equal to constant into Ia. So we know the value of Ka phi. We know the value of Ka phi. What is the value of Ka phi? 0.18 into, what is the value of Ia?
40 ampere.
40. So what is the value of this torque?
7.2.
7.2 Newton meter. Torque का units क्या है? 7.2 Newton meter. In units is important. Speed का RPM, radians per second, voltage का volts, current का amperes or milliamperes or millivolts. Okay, voltage का millivolts, torque Newton meter. Okay, so these units are important. This is the answer of the second one. Torque T is equal to 7.2 Newton meter. Clear? So next, power supply to the motor means at alpha is equal to 30 degrees. How much power we are applying to the motor? At alpha is equal to 30 degrees. Okay, if the firing angle is equal to 30 degrees, how much power we are applying this motor? That is important. So what is the formula? P is equal to voltage into current. Is it right? VA into IA. VA into IA. Is it right? In the case of AC, the power factor will be present. V into I into cos phi like that. But here the DC, na? So no, we are not, the cos power factor is not present. Clear? So cos phi is not taking here. Only power P is equal to VA into IA. So what is the value of VA here? What is the value of VA? I'm audible, all of you?
Yes, sir.
179.33 into
33.
into what is the value of
40.
IA? 40 amperes. So what is this value? 7173.2 watts. 7173.2 watts. Clear? This is the value of this amount of power we are applying the DC motor. Okay, when this much of power is applied to the motor, then the motor is rotates at this speed 940.72 rpm, and the torque is produced by that motor is 7.2 Newton meter. Is it clear? Okay, this is a small example of the separately exit DC motor is running with a single phase fully controlled converter. Okay, sometimes they can change this converter, semi controller, half wave controller, and like that, and they can change the firing angle also. Is it right? So see here. So has all the same numerical. Okay. So P is equal to this. This is the rated values. Okay, 10 HP, 220 volts, 1200 RPM, and IA is equal to 40 amperes. VA is equal to VS is equal to supply voltage is equal to 230 volts. Na? VS is equal to how much? How much VS? Same numerical. Just I have solved in this PPT. Alpha is equal to 30 degrees. N is equal to 1200 RPM. This is the rated speed. This is the rated speed. Please remember. Rated speed. Okay, RA is equal to 0.25 ohms. RA is equal to 0.25 ohms. RA is equal to 0.25 ohms. So KFA is equal to 0.18 volts per RPM. So we know the formula. VA is equal to V0 is equal to 2 VM by cos alpha. So this is the average value of the output voltage of single phase fully controlled converter. Single phase fully controlled converter. So also we know the formula. VA is equal to EB plus IRJ. So VA is equal to 2 into root 2 into 230 upon by pi into cos 30. So we can find out the value of VA is equal to 179.33. Okay. Is it right? So we know the formula EB is equal to VA minus IARA. We know the formula EB is equal to VA minus RA. So VA is nothing but armature voltage 179.33 minus 40 into 0.25. So EB is equal to 169.33 volts. 169.33 volts. Okay, so also we know the formula EB is equal to KFI. N is equal to EB by KFI. N is equal to EB by KFI. So from this equation, by using this equation, we can easily find out the speed of the motor. Okay, we can easily find out the speed of the motor. Clear? So N is equal to how much? N is equal to how much? N is equal to how much? N is equal to please.
940.72.
940.72 RPM. Okay, so also we can easily find out the speed in radians per second. Speed in radians per second. Omega is equal to 2 pi n by 60. So 2 pi into 940.72 by 60, that is equal to 98.51 radians per second. Okay, next motor torque. So we know the formula T is equal to KFI into IA. T is equal to 0.18 into 40. T is equal to 7.2 Newton meter. Okay, like the same way we can easily find out the power, how much power is supplying to the motor. So we know the formula P is equal to V into VA into IA. Okay, P is equal to voltage into current. So we know the value of VA and we know the value of armature current. So 179.33 into 40 amperes. So what is the value of this power? 7173.2 watt. Clear? This is the one small numerical we have solved. So same example I will give. Same example, same parameters, just change the firing angle. Alpha is equal to 60 degrees. Alpha is equal to 60 degrees. So can you solve this numerical same data? Just I change the value of alpha is equal to 60 degrees. Can you solve please? Can you solve please?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Can you solve please?
Yes, sir. हाँ,
हाँ, solve करके बता दो. From boys, anyone? Boys also.
सर होमवर्क है या अभी सॉल्व करना है?
अभी सॉल्व करने का है। ओके, अपन सॉल्व करते जाएंगे, बताते जाओ बस। पेपर पेन है क्या? श्रद्धा? Swapnali? Only Payal is giving the response. No one is giving the response.
Yes,
Shiv?
sir.
Swapnali क्या?
हाँ सर.
न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व किया अल्फा इज इक्वल 30 डिग्रीज का, अब अल्फा इज इक्वल 60 डिग्रीज का सॉल्व करना है। सॉल्व द सेम न्यूमेरिकल, जस्ट आई चेंज द वैल्यू ऑफ अल्फा इज इक्वल टू 60 डिग्रीज। सो व्हाट विल बी द स्पीड? What will be the speed? What will be the speed? Please find out. Speed find out करना for alpha is equal to 60 degrees. We know the formula V is equal to 2 Vm by pi cos alpha. Va is equal to V0 is equal to 2 into root 2 into 230 divided by pi cos 60 degrees. Can you tell the value of this one? Cos 60 की root 2 into 230 अपन by cos 60. Payal?
103.53.
103.53 volts. So please remember this value. Please remember this value, all of you. So what is the value of EB? EB is equal to
V0 minus IRA.
103.53 minus 40 into
0.25.
40 into 0.25. What is the value of this one?
93.53.
93.53.
volt.
बॉयज कौन बोला था? बॉयज में से कौन बोला था लास्ट टाइम? EB is equal to 93.53 volts. Clear? So what will be the speed? N is equal to EB by KFI is equal to 93.53 upon by 0.18. What is the value of this one?
519.64.
N is equal to 519. How much? 519.61.
61.
61 RPM na.
Yes.
Okay, have you observed this value? Can you give the conclusion from these values? Before alpha is equal to 30 degrees में value कितना मिला था अपन को? Alpha is equal to 30 degrees में previous सॉल्व किए थे ना अपन?
179.33.
V0 is equal to कितना था? V0 is equal to VA is equal to 179.33. 179.33 and speed कितना था? Speed is equal to
940.
941 942 approximate na. Okay, 941.72 RPM. So please observe from these two conclusions, if alpha is equal to 30 degrees, we got the value of output voltage 179.33 and speed is the 941 RPM. Clear? And if you increase the firing angle from alpha is equal to 30 degrees to 60 degrees, increase किया ना, अपन कुछ value changes किए क्या? कुछ भी changes नहीं किया ना? Nothing is changes. Only we increase the firing angle. But by increasing the firing angle, the voltage is decrease. डिक्रीज हुआ कि इंक्रीज हुआ? देखो इधर 179.33 था पहले, अभी कितना मिला अपन को? नाउ हाउ मच वी गॉट? हाउ मच वी गॉट व्हेन द अल्फा इज इक्वल 60 डिग्रीज?
103.
103. आउटपुट वोल्टेज डिक्रीज हुआ ना?
Yes.
Decrease हुआ ना? So
Yes.
if the output voltage is decreased, then what about the speed? Speed is also decreased. Speed is also decreased ना. 941 RPM था पहले, अल्फा इज इक्वल 30 डिग्रीज. अगर अल्फा इज इक्वल 60 डिग्रीज की है, स्पीड कितना मिला अपन को? 519 RPM. स्पीड डिक्रीज हुआ ना? डिक्रीज हुआ ना?
Yes, sir.
sir.
Okay, means what we can say here, by increasing the firing angle, the speed will be decreased. By increasing the firing angle, the speed will be decreased. That's why we have given the graph like this. If the firing angle is increased, okay, the speed will be decreased like this. Is it right? So practical में भी यही किया था ना अपन, just firing angle increase decrease करके speed increase decrease का observation किया था ना. Is it right? So now I think all of you got the importance of firing angle in this converters. I think all of you got the importance of firing angle in this converters. Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? So like say, so this is the drive, means the speed of the DC motor is controlled using the power electronic converter. For example, rectifier है, so by varying the firing angle, the speed of the motor is controlled. The speed of the motor is controlled. This is called as the drive. This is called as the drive. Is it right? तो अपन mathematically prove किए ना अपन. We have proved the mathematically.
Yes.
Generally, what we can say, by varying the firing angle, the speed will vary. By increasing the firing angle, the speed will be decreased. Okay, general statement we have given, but today we have proved in terms of mathematically. Today we have proved the in terms of mathematically. Is it clear? So like the same way, we have to solve the numericals. Like the same way, we have to solve the numericals. So I will solve 10 to 15 numericals after completion of three-phase concept. Is it okay, all of you? From boys? Hello?